Hey guys, today we are going to talk on one of the best methods you can use to teach your children gratitude or to enable them to be thankful for everything. There are many methods, but one of the best, which is very, very practical and reliable, it will hardly fail you, is what I want to talk on. And that method is nothing else but you as the parent or auntie or uncle manifesting gratitude before those children, not just saying them with words. Manifest gratitude towards those children. Manifest gratitude before those children, towards others. And manifest gratitude towards God. You send your child, for example, to bring you water. It's okay to tell your child, thank you. Thank you for giving me the water. Thank you, dear. That's a lot. So they learn a lot by observation, children. You send your child to buy something for you, you give them money. Could you please go buy this for me? And they bring it. Say, thank you. Thank you for helping me out to buy this. They do household chores, whether you assigned them or not. They do it out of their own energy. Thank them. They do it because you instructed them. Still say thank you. That's how they will learn to always say thank you, not just towards you. And they will also be able to say thank you without difficulty to other people. Thank you is a very powerful word. Thank you encourages the doer of the good act to do more. It encourages, it's a good virtue. Unfortunately, it's lacking in the society a lot. Many people are not able to manifest gratitude. They are entitled. They don't even know what to say sometimes. Sometimes they are acting in ignorance. Sometimes they are aware. Sometimes they think it was not necessary. But that discourages the giver. So teach your children to manifest gratitude. It will come back to you. Don't say, I'm the mom. Why should I say thank you? Imagine when you were sitting and relaxing and you just want to relax and you just want to relax and you have the opportunity to send your child to bring you water. Isn't that wonderful? If the child wasn't around to do that, you have to get up from that zone of comfort to go get that water yourself. I know walking will help you do some exercise, but sometimes you just want to be comfortable. So children deserve our thanks. Everybody deserves thanks, especially when they do something good. Teach your children gratitude by always saying thank you to them as well when they do something good, not just by words. That be thankful. Tell people thank you, not words. Your actions should be the biggest teacher. Your actions should be the loudest microphone. Bye. Like and subscribe.